Recession, inflation, and regulation. A triple threat hits crypto markets as Bitcoin and Ethereum fall again. Welcome to the Daily Forkast, June the 23rd, 2022. I'm Forkast's Joel Flynn. Worries about the global economy have dragged major currencies lower overnight after 3 days of gains. Crypto firms continue to struggle, meanwhile, with another blockchain bailout. We'll take a look at that, plus a whole lot more coming to you from Asia to the world.
Join thousands of NFT traders who already start their day on CryptoSlam.
Well, after 3 days of steadying prices, major cryptocurrencies have been falling again overnight. UK inflation and recession warnings have exacerbated crypto market worries. Bitcoin continues to drop off the $21,000 mark, while there's been notable falls for Ethereum as well. As markets continue to stumble, liquidity problems continue at major crypto firms. FTX boss Sam Bankman-Fried has just agreed to a second bailout of a struggling company. Forkast's Monica Ghosh has more.
Bitcoin was trading down 3.5% in the 24 hours to Thursday morning in Asia, before rebounding slightly to over $20,000. Ethereum was also down, changing hands at close to $1,000, with the rest of the non-stable coin tokens in the crypto top 10 also in the red. Recent data out of the UK showed inflation running at a 40-year high of 9.1%, with a prediction of hitting 11% in October. Citigroup said with central banks raising interest rates to combat rising inflation, the probability of a global recession has risen to 50%. And amid the market turmoil, liquidity issues are hounding some major crypto firms. After rescuing crypto asset broker Voyager Digital last week, crypto exchange FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, often known as SBF, has now agreed to bail out the crypto lender BlockFi. In a tweet, BlockFi CEO Zach Prince said FTX agreed to extend a $250 million revolving credit facility to the firm. For his part, SBF said that BlockFi has careful risk management and great leadership with no debt or risk from 3AC, Celsius and others. For Forkast, I'm Monica Ghosh.
More crypto taxes could soon hit India. A higher goods and services tax, or GST, may soon be imposed on crypto transactions there. According to Bloomberg, authorities will meet on June the 28th to discuss levies of up to 28%. That would put them on par with taxes on lotteries, casinos, and other forms of betting. Currently, the GST on crypto transactions is 18%, but that's on top of the 30% tax on profits and a 1% charge on transactions over $128. That is due to come into effect next month. Meanwhile, financial regulators in the Chinese city of Shenzhen are cracking down on crypto trading again after a ban last year. Local authorities have just issued another warning about the legal risks of working for overseas exchanges or supporting crypto trading. The country's central bank today also warned about crypto scams. Crypto-related businesses have been withdrawing from China since September's ban, but investors have also been looking for ways around it, including by registering companies abroad. Make sure you check out the latest at Forkast.News for more on that. New York's Pride March takes place this weekend, and Web3 efforts to join in are in focus. Experts have been discussing the potential for the metaverse to provide a safe space for the LGBT community. Forkast's Timmy Shen reports.
Decentraland and The Sandbox are among the metaverse players organizing Pride events at the same time as the Pride Parade takes place in real life. Decentraland's events include panel discussions on everything from LGBT inclusion to financial empowerment for queer people. Cash Lab CEO and Decentraland event curator David Cash told Forkast there are many practical reasons for doing this.
What if you live in, Saudi Arabia or a country where being queer is, chastised? And what if you can't celebrate Pride, openly and publicly and, in your own skin? I think the metaverse and, solutions like Decentraland really do offer an opportunity for people without the privilege to be able to be, out and proud in themselves.
The Metaverse Innovation Lab, People of Crypto, is also on board, teaming up with the Sandbox to airdrop thousands of avatars over the course of the month, featuring various sexualities and skin tones. It's also launching an inclusivity hub called the Valley of Belonging, which aims to amplify projects representing people of color and LGBT creators. Their co-founder Simone Barry told Forkast that Web3 can only scale if diversity and inclusion are rooted in its foundations.
Offering different narratives, creating a game that really promotes your authentic self, NPCs that are in wheelchairs, non-binary Black characters, LGBTQ characters, we're able to actually customize our avatars so that you can self-identify.
For those who really want to get involved with what's happening in New York, Metaverse will be live streaming concerts and performances in the metaverse. Its founder Matt Stevenson agrees that early representation of the community is vital.
As we engage more queer individuals or disenfranchised individuals in these spaces, at least we'll have a voice in how things should be built to make sure that we are represented, or our best interests are represented as these platforms are being built.
Stevenson says he feels that oftentimes the community is just being leveraged to tick the diversity box, and that once June is over, the rainbow flags and products disappear. David Cash says it's vital that doesn't happen.
For queer people, we're queer 365 days of the year. We don't turn it off when June ends.
Cash says the metaverse adds value, allowing people to do things that are physically impossible in their day-to-day lives. For Forkast, I'm Timmy Shan.
Well, if you want a deeper dive on these stories, the Daily Forkast newsletter can be delivered straight to your inbox. Do sign up for that at Forkast.News/newsletter. Follow us on Twitter as well for the latest updates at Forkast_news. For now, though, that's your Daily Forkast from Asia to the world. I'm Joel Flynn. I'll see you next time.